Looking for the best drill mixer for your next big project? Stick around. We've ranked the top 5 to help you mix smarter, not harder. Coming in at the bottom of our list is the GTH08 from CtopoGo. It's affordable, powerful on paper, and definitely tempting if you're on a tight budget. But as with most things, there's more to it than just specs. Let's start with what it does well. It runs up to 960 RPM and packs more than enough power for light-duty mortar, paint, or drywall compound mixing. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and includes variable speed control, which gives you some nice flexibility depending on what you're mixing. But here's the downside. This tool just doesn't hold up under pressure. Users report overheating, strange smells, and some even receive units missing essential parts. It's a great idea in theory, but in practice, it's not the most reliable choice for frequent or heavy-duty use. If you're only mixing occasionally or need a cheap backup, this one might be fine. But if durability matters to you, you'll want to look at our next option instead. Oh, and by the way, links to all the products in this video at the best prices are in the description right below. Up next is the MaXXT drill mixer, which ranks just above the bottom but brings some important upgrades. Think of it as the smarter buy if you still want to save money but want something that's gonna last a bit longer. The big win here is versatility. It comes with not just one, but 2 paddles, plus ergonomic handles and a carrying bag. You can use it for drywall mud, mortar, and even some light concrete. The lower speed cap helps with torque, and it's easier to control than the CtopoGo, especially for small batches. However, don't expect pro-grade performance. It's not the fastest tool out there, and it won't plow through tough mixes like the higher ranked ones. Also, the build quality is decent, but nothing to write home about. Good for homeowners, maybe not for contractors. If you're mixing a few buckets a week and want an all-in-one package without spending too much, this one's for you. And hey, if you're getting value from this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful reviews. Taking the middle spot in our lineup is the RLSM12000 from Roacy Tools. This one's got some solid grunt to it and is definitely built to handle more than just the occasional DIY. With a beefy 10 amp motor and a nice wide speed range, this mixer makes short work of everything from concrete to adhesive. It also comes with a 360-degree rotatable handle and an extra long cord, which is a big bonus for those of us constantly hunting for an outlet. On the flip side, this tool is a bit of a mystery in terms of long-term durability. It's not from a well-known brand, and while the performance is solid out of the box, there's not much to go on regarding how it'll hold up over time. If you're a frequent DIYer or even a light pro looking for a solid step up from entry-level tools, this is a solid middle ground. Now we're getting into the heavy hitters. Next up is the cordless mixer from DeWalt. This tool is all about freedom and safety, and honestly, it's one of the most user-friendly on the list. Powered by DeWalt's 60-volt system, this beast can mix several full buckets of mortar, concrete, or drywall on a single charge. It has a brushless motor for better efficiency, and the E-clutch system kicks in if it binds. Huge for safety, and the cordless design, absolute game changer on job sites. Drawbacks? Mainly the price, since you'll need to buy the battery and charger separately, and it's capped at 600 RPM, which might be a bit slow for really light mixes. Still, it delivers fantastic power without the cord hassles. If you're already using DeWalt tools or work in areas where outlets are a pain, this is a no-brainer. Let's move on to the top performer on our list. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Columix Duo mixer. This is not your average paddle mixer. It's an absolute beast designed for serious mixing power, efficiency, and comfort. What sets it apart? The double paddle system. Both paddles spin in opposite directions, which means faster mixing and zero torque on your wrists. It's built like a tank with ergonomic handles, quick paddle change system, and one of the best build qualities in the game. Of course, it's not cheap, and it's heavy. This is a mixer for professionals or serious tradespeople who need maximum output and comfort over long sessions. If you're a contractor, tiler, or anyone mixing big batches day in and day out, you'll love what the Collomix can do. Ready to take your mixing game to the next level? All the top picks we covered are linked in the description below. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next round up.